Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Crystal to craft better LinkedIn messages step by step clearly. To authorize Crystal for crafting better LinkedIn messages, begin by accessing your LinkedIn account. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on the Me icon to view your profile. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, locate the option for Account Preferences. Scroll down until you find Third-Party Applications or Authorized Applications. Click on this section to view current app integrations. Next, head to the Crystal website or application. If you don't have an account, create one by following their registration process. Once logged into Crystal, find the option to integrate with LinkedIn. Select Connect to LinkedIn to initiate the authorization process. You will be prompted to allow Crystal access to your LinkedIn account. Review the permissions requested by Crystal. Click Allow to authorize access. Return to the Crystal application after granting permission. You may be required to configure settings to optimize your LinkedIn messaging. Adjust the preferences according to your target audience and messaging style. Once configured, you can start using Crystal's insights to enhance your LinkedIn communications. Test the integration by drafting a LinkedIn message with Crystal's recommendations. Make any necessary adjustments based on Crystal's feedback. Now you are ready to send more effective LinkedIn messages using Crystal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.